Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this really cool 3D zoom video edit on CapCut PC. Well, it's more of a picture edit. I'm just going to like freeze frame this bit, and then I'm just going to select the AI stylize, go to style, go to AI. Okay, it's not in photo, I think it's in motion, and select whichever 3D zoom you want. There is this one, there is also this one, and I might make it like a little bit shorter. Okay, that one has like a weird warp, so I'm just going to change it to this one. Actually, I think the just photo one is a little bit better, so I'm just going to take a photo and then I'll add in the 3D zoom. Then once you've applied that, just go to effects and search for black flash, and you're just going to add that on top, and you can even adjust the speed a little bit to make it maybe faster. Flash warning, by the way. But yeah, that is pretty much it really. You can add in more photos than that, obviously, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.